Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys from Reactions here. My name's Logan.
My name's Francesco.
And in today's video, we are going to be discussing ProRes. Let's go.
So, basically, let's just get right to this video. It's gonna be a quick one. Here we go. So basically, we did our iPhone review. You can check that out here. We did our iPhone 13 Pro review, and a feature that wasn't available yet, and is only available in the most recent update, iOS 15.1, is ProRes. Now, ProRes, there's some limitations to it. It's basically a codec that professionals use when they're filming professional movies and videos. And now, ProRes, if you have a 128 gigabyte storage phone, iPhone 13 Pro, if you have only 128 gigs, you can only shoot in 1080p. If you want to shoot 4K ProRes, you need to have 256, 512, or 1 terabyte models. I only have the 128 gig model, the base model, so I can only demo you 1080p. Well, software disables 4K of ProRes, and it kind of makes sense because, according to stats, 1 minute of 1080p, I think it's 1 minute takes up 1 gig of 1080p, and then I believe it's, for 1 minute of 4K, it's 6 to 8 gigabytes. So imagine you only have around 50 gigs of space left. You will shoot a 10-minute video and already be at 50 gigs. What? Wow. Anyways, we're gonna demo you ProRes versus normal in 1080p, and then we'll compare ProRes 1080p to regular 4K because that's all I can do, and we'll take a look at it later. So let's go do those comparisons. Let's take a look at those videos. So this is video of regular 4K footage on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is just regular 4K footage on the wide angle lens. We're not using ProRes at all here, and I'm just gonna demo this for you. So that's the footage that you're seeing here. Nothing too special. It's just normal 4K. I mean, it looks pretty good. But now we're gonna switch to 1080p ProRes. Now we're filming ProRes in 1080p. Let's go back here to the front. So this is ProRes in 1080p. Unfortunately, I cannot film 4K ProRes because the 128 gig model that I am using of the 13 Pro Max only limits to 1080p in software. That's a feature that Apple implemented so you don't overuse your storage, because ProRes takes up a lot of storage. That's what it looks like. Hope that gives you a good idea. I'm not sure if it looks that much different. Now we're gonna switch to 1080p in regular. Now this is just regular 1080p on the 13 Pro Max. This is what you're seeing here. So it's probably a little bit less quality, but still looks very good on the iPhone 13 Pro Max over here. And I hope that gives you a good idea as to what the video looks like on the iPhone 13 Pro. So that's the videos. We hope we gave you an idea of what those look like. It's very small. If you want to have access to that, you need to update to 15.1.
Yep.
And that's just a pretty much quick video because I promised that we would do that. We didn't get to do it in the review. So
that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and if please leave that notification bell rung, that would be fantastic. And we'll see you.
Enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.